Alright, now it's time to pay attention because I don't want somebody that has one of these things bending off their float valve just because they saw me do it. This procedure only applies to the CA series monitor tops that are charged with methyl formate. Other monitor tops are charged with sulfur dioxide. So if you go messing around with your float valve and you open it up and you get blasted in the face with SO2, it's going to be very, very, very unpleasant. Methyl formate is also an irritant, but it's also very sweet smelling. But it's also very, very flammable. But it's not an HFC or CFC or anything like that. So if you don't know what your refrigerator is charged with, check on the back. There's going to be a tag. And if it has an SO2 system, this procedure does not apply to that at all. Any other questions, just give me a buzz.